Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So here is the task. What does this sign mean? Number 1. You can only go straight. No turns allowed. Number 2. You must turn left or right. No going straight. Number 3. You can go straight or turn right. Number 4. You can go straight, but U-turns are allowed. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. This is the R3-5, a regulatory sign, white background, black arrow pointing straight up. It means you must go straight ahead. Turning left or right is strictly prohibited unless a supplemental sign says otherwise. So the correct answer is number 1. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine.